This is the best natural solution against fleas. It's important not to skip the video because every step is crucial. First, I'll show you a repellent for the house, then for people, and finally for pets. Because if you have fleas on carpets and sofas, you first need to get rid of them along with their eggs. Let's not waste time and get straight to work. The first step is quick action as soon as you notice the first signs of fleas. Start with thorough cleaning immediately, because fleas lay eggs in cracks, carpets, mattresses, and all places where animals spend the most time. Vacuum the entire house, including floors, carpets, sofas, and mattresses, and discard a vacuum bag or container right away, because fleas can survive inside and reproduce again. Next, you will need 2 ingredients. The first is baking soda, which absorbs moisture and dries out flea larvae and eggs, preventing further development. Additionally, its mild abrasive effect helps remove fleas from carpets and surfaces without chemicals. The second ingredient is diatomaceous earth, which acts abrasively on the outer layer of a flea's body, drying and killing them. It is also very effective for natural flea removal in the home without chemicals. Sprinkle them in a thin layer on carpets, mattresses, under the bed, and along wall edges. Gently brush them in and leave them to act for several hours, ideally overnight. Then vacuum thoroughly and repeat the process every few days for at least 1 to 2 weeks, as eggs and larvae often survive the first treatment. To be even safer, we will also make a liquid repellent, which we will spray in cracks, on carpets, and on floors. This spray can also be used on hair, making it suitable for people as well. Additionally, it repels ticks, cockroaches, and mosquitoes. In half a liter of boiling water, add some grated lemon peel, as it releases natural aromatic compounds that repel fleas and prevent their return. Its sharp aroma makes the area less attractive to insects. Then add whole pieces of lemon. We kept the peel separate because it contains aromatic compounds that the interior of the lemon almost completely lacks. Next, add 1 tablespoon of thyme, which contains natural essential compounds that act as a repellent against fleas, which they do not tolerate. Leave everything in the boiling water for a few hours to cool and release its ingredients, or boil it a little longer. Now strain it and add a few more tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This spray is excellent for spraying along room edges, under the bed, on carpets, and in places where fleas were most commonly found. Of course, while treating the house, you must not forget your pets, as they are often the main carriers of fleas. Never use essential oils on cats or dogs, as they can cause serious health problems, especially in cats, which are very sensitive. Instead, make a simple and safe mixture of water and vinegar. Always consult a veterinarian first. Dilute vinegar and water in a 1:3 ratio and fill a spray bottle. I recommend testing it on a small area first to see how the animal reacts, and be careful around the eyes. In addition, regularly comb your pets with a fine flea comb, which removes adult fleas and their eggs. The combination of gentle water and vinegar treatment, regular combing, and natural home cleaning creates a long-term solution that protects both your house and pets. Remember, cleanliness is key. Wash bedding, covers, blankets, and rugs at high temperatures. Vacuum regularly, and avoid leaving food or dirt on the floor. Fleas return quickly if they have food and a warm hiding place. So stay consistent. I share this video with friends so we can help them too. Thank you and cheers.